You guys ready to see the bird whisperer duo in action? Oh, whoa, hello. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Good morning.
Morning.
What's going on today?
Today we're driving to the Great Ocean Road.
Yes, we are taking a two-day day trip to the Great Ocean Road. We're gonna see some koalas, emus, kangaroos, wild ones. We're gonna see the 12 apostles, lots of picture-taking opportunities. It's gonna be a 3-hour trip, but we're gonna split it up over many stops. So let's go.
Let's go.
So we are 1 hour away from Melbourne at Bells Beach right now in Torquay, and this is where the world famous Rip Curl Pro competition is held. Check out those waves behind us. Just like 180 of ocean. Oh, those are some loud waves. Look, there's people surfing over here. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. They're like tiny little ants by the waves. Nice picture of yourself?
No. Never myself.
It's so loud. It looks like they're all getting eaten by the waves. Oh my god, those are some massive swells. Watch this wave crash. Oh my god, it's huge. Let's go down. It's getting colder the closer we get to the waves. Okay, it's raining now, so we're gonna hit the road again, and we will see you either on the next lookout point, the next scenic view, or the next town.
And we're back, and we found a lookout point. Look at
Photo op time. We're gonna see a bunch of this because we're just gonna drive along the mountain and road down there for like hours. So yeah. But damn, those are some loud waves. I can hear them crashing from here. Ooh, it's nice and breezy. It smells so fresh. I like it. The mountains behind and water on this side. Okay, are you done?
Yep.
Okay, let's get back in the car and see where we end up next.
Let's go.
Hey.
We just drove down a little bit and stopped by a little town called Lorne, and it's just by the water right here. We're just having some food right now.
Fish and chips by the ocean. Fitting, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but there's an issue. You show them the issue.
There's a bunch of birds waiting for our food.
Oh my god, they are all behind me. I am so scared right now. Protect my food. They're so close to me. I was so scared. Oh my god.
This is so freaking awesome.
This guy's just taking pictures of them while they fucking chill out behind my head. Guys, I am legit so scared. They're such pretty birds, but there's a whole gang of them. Look at that. Look, oh my god. And then this guy here. Look how close he is. He's just watching me with his hawk eyes. Okay, Tung is having the time of his life while I like piss my pants. You're so pretty, but also so scary when you're hungry.
Oh my god, this is amazing.
Looks like a little parrot. Hi. Oh man, those are some scary claws. Ooh. Don't just go on the road like that. That's dangerous.
Look, babe, there's more over there.
Do you want to go?
Yes.
Oh, these birds are gonna end up attacking you. So we're back on the road. Next stop is Kennet River, and we're gonna look for the koala walk. again, we are here at Canariva, and look at these birds. Whoa, they're all over him. So cute. Ooh, red and purple like the raptors. Ooh. Guys, want to see some magic?
Watch out.
I'm the bird whisperer. I made a new friend. Hey.
Where we find the koalas?
Yeah, I totally forgot about that.
We gotta go find koalas. Look at this one. Hello, man.
Hi.
Oh yeah, these
Hey,
are
dude.
just seeds.
Hi. Ooh. Whoa, gosh. Ooh, this one's like Christmassy.
Oh my goodness. Got my head.
That's a nice hat you got.
And it's really spiky.
It's like a head massage. Oh, I got one too. Hi. Yes, you can join me.
This is wicked.
Oh my god, it's on my finger. Oh my god. Holy shit. It's on my wrist. Look at it.
Eating.
Oh, you made me drop on my feet, you silly bird. How far do you think I can take this bird on this hike with us for? Look how far we are from the rest of the birds. I'm taking it. You're coming with me, buddy.
That's awesome. This bird is gonna follow us. We adopted it.
This is fun. I'm very amused right now.
Look at this little guy right here. I got one on my shoulder. My ride or die.
Did you just say ride or die?
Yeah. Ride or die chick. Oh, where you going? Fuck. The bird used me.
Doing what it does best. Absolutely nothing. Oh, there's one up there too.
And she's still holding this bird.
It's so fun.
This bird's been walking with you for like 200 meters already. Look at that.
Have fun, actually.
You're just feeding it until it runs away. Oh, look, it came back. Look at this. She's just attracting birds.
This is so fun. Think I can get a koala to do this?
No. You gotta go. I got food for you. And look at this girl.
Last two.
And look at this girl.
I like fed their whole family today.
Yeah. They're like, screw you guys. I'm going home.
Oh my god, is that koala snoring? It was making a funny sound. So the koalas here are a bit far and hard to see because they're way up in the trees and they're doing nothing. But when we go to Brisbane, they have this wildlife sanctuary where they actually allow you to hold the koalas, which is not allowed in any other state. So when we go to Brisbane, we're gonna hold some koalas. These guys tried to steal my lunch today. You're a jackass, you know that? Ain't cool what you did. It ain't cool. Ooh. Okay, so we spent more than an hour here. We're having way too much fun with these birds, but we gotta move on to the next place, which is Apollo Bay. So, see you there.
Awesome.
Whoa! What happened here?
We skipped Apollo Bay and now we're here at 12 Apostles. And it's freaking windy.
Oh, yeah. This is 12 Apostles after sunset. We're gonna head to our Airbnb and we're gonna come back here tomorrow. So that's it for today, guys.